Alright, so I've applied part of the segment on this side of the linear motor to see that I have the wafers overlaying another wafer and overlaying another wafer. I'm going to put the permanent magnets in them, ceramic magnets at the bottom. I can replace them for nickel neodymium. Now as of the covering, I'm going to cover it with adhesive metallic foil, conductive foil, and you can use copper. I'm going to use copper and metal. Use a foil to enclose to cover up the unit, and use silicon carbide and resin, conductive resin. And I believe that the following is the permanent magnets, which is going to be under the boot. It's going to be two 1600 permanent magnets, nickel neodymium, heavy duty, and I'm going to use that. And after I cover the epoxy resin and crystalline, after I flatten these coils down just a little bit more, and I guess that would be the end of the unit, which is actually a compact. It's just an adapter to adapt to the cage. The cage follows thereafter, which is aluminum block cage, about 1.8 of an inch. That's 3 millimeters, and that will be enclosing this system right here. So this will be actually the engine to power the outer external gate. So the following up onto the thigh and the other boot. So there, I'm going to do it again, and keep watch. My name is Jermaine Morton. Goodbye.